Hi friends, this video is sponsored by BuyMode Shopping app. BuyMode e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. The BuyMode e-shopping. Click the below link and install the applications. The BuyMode e-shopping. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா the plans, the 10 lines on plans பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். First point, plans are very important for our environment. Second one point, plants give us oxygen to live life. Third one point, there are various types of plants. There are various types of plants found on earth. Fourth one points, plants make the food with the help of sunlight. Fifth one point, they observe carbon dioxide. They observe the carbon dioxide from the environment. Sixth one point, plants play a vital role in the food chain. Seventh one point, many plants give us medicine. Many plants give us medicine. Eighth one point, we get beautiful. We get beautiful. We get ninth one point, plants help in reducing pollution and global warming. 10th one point, we must plant more and plants. We must plant more and more plants. The 10th one points. This video sponsored by BuyMode Shopping app. The BuyMode e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. The BuyMode e-shopping.